बाबा, मैं आपसे यह जानना चाह रहा था कि आपने भारत के अलावा कौन कौन सी देशों में आपने भ्रमण किया है?
Basically, I spent 7 years in Australia and did hotel management over there. And after I have visited like Thailand, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, उसके बाद basically Burma, Tasmania. I have visited these many countries. So yeah, I have also spent time with the Afghanistani, Iraqi, Russian, UK. These type people I have met in the Australia. So they also did study with me like hotel management. So after then I finished my study and so I choose like the Sanatan Dharam, so making the Bhikshu Baba Bholinath. So now I'm feeling good. Before I was like genuine people, but now I'm spending time with like great Babas. I'm listening like the pravachan, everything. So taking good stuff in my heart. So it's well. Yeah, Bholinath.
बाबा, भारत में जो सनातनी हैं, इनकी जो तौर तरीका है साधु संतों का रहने का, प्रवचन देने का और श्रद्धालुओं का सुनने का, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कैसे होता है?
Basically, we can say like Sanatan Dharam. Basically, people using in the India, they are great people, great soul. But it is the foreign country like Australia. They have not like too much Hindu people, but some people have, and they are using Sanatan Dharam. But we can't say like the all over Australia and the Sanatan Dharam using so because they are English, They some people going to church, some people going to like the mandir, some people going to Gurdwara, so some people going to like the masjid, So there are many type people. So but we can say that like the in India have Sanatan Dharam like the people think like the proud. They are proudly people because they can get proud because they are slave of Bholinath and Bhagwan Vishnu, Bhagwan Brahma, and they are giving everything to these Sanatan Dharam people like big Babas. They have got too much education, memories, so they are great. So basically, if I compare English people and Sanatan Dharam Baba, but I will choose like Sanatan Dharam and Sanatan Babas, really.
बाबा, you are married या unmarried?
How I can say I am unmarried. Basically, I am unmarried. When I born after when I get like young age, but I am not interested in the like marriage. I don't know why. So that's why I am unmarried.
बाबा, आप रहने वाले कहाँ के इंडिया में?
Basically, I am belong to like the Punjab. So after I went to like Manikan, Mahakal. So also I did 2 bed in Mahakal with Basi Baba. He's the Pujari of main center of like the Mahakal. So after I came my house, so I was also feeling like alone. So after I went to like the Baba Balaknath, Mata Jwalaji, Mata Chintapurni, Rishikesh, and also Haridwar. So I'm spending with great Baba in Haridwar now. So it's my life. So.
हरिद्वार में कब से हैं बाबा?
Just 1 month, last month. Yeah.
इससे पहले कहाँ थे?
Basically, मैं कहाँ जुड़ गया था? इससे पहले किधर गया? Basically, I spend some day in my home. Yeah. So because I have big home, nobody living over there. So I spent like 1 month in my home. So before I was in the like I was doing job in the Patiala. So after I met one Baba Atmanath, and he was great soul. So he took me like we are going to Haridwar. So you can spend a good time over there and you can meet like the good Baba. So now I'm sitting with good Baba and taking some argue and pravachan.
Your name, बाबा?
My name is like my real name is Kamalveer Singh, but basically Kamal Gloria. It is very famous throughout the world. So I'm basically, you can say, my international star. But now I have leave. So now I'm doing like the religious song, Bete. So
Your qualification?
yeah, I did graduations after 2 year computer diploma. IELTS. After IELTS clear, I went to like Australia. I spent 7 years over there. So did study hotel management in Australia.
जब आप कॉलेज में पढ़ते थे तब आपका कोई फ्रेंड था?
Yeah, I was many friends, but they all of our friends, they are well settled in the like overseas countries, Canada, America, New Zealand, Australia. So now I'm also feeling like alone you. So now I have no friends. I have no. They all my friends are living in the big country like Australia, New Zealand, Canada, America,
How many friends
Italy.
name, Mala? How many friends name?
My friend's name, Shiv, also like Kundan, Jassi, Navi, so Deepa. They have many friends, but they all are in the well settled in the out of country.
अब बाबा साधु ही बनना है कि फिर दोबारा
ना साधु बनना बनाना कुछ नहीं है, सारे साधु ही हैं। जितनी दुनिया घूम रही बाबा जी, साधु बनना बनाना किसने है? ये चक्कर नहीं है, ये कपड़ा डाल के साधु है। ये भी साधु हो, आप भी साधु हैं, ठीक है ना। आपके साधु के ऊपर चले, आप मुझसे बड़े साधु हैं, ठीक है ना। साधु का कोई जेज होल नहीं है, भी तू कपड़ा डाल तब साधु है।
आप अपने घर जाते हैं मम्मी पापा से दर्शन
माय मॉम एंड डैड दे आर एक्सपायर्ड मैन, दे
Brothers?
ये
ब्रदर सिस्टर्स?
दे आर लिविंग इन इटालिया, इटली। बेसिकली वी ऑल फैमिली लिविंग इन द फॉर्म, नॉट लिविंग हियर इन पंजाब।
आपके गांव में आपका जो घर है, जमीन जो है, खेत, ये सब हैं?
Yeah, I was like not too much land because basically everywhere people like they are kisan, you know, farmer. They are not have big land, so I was also 1.5 biga. So it's gave to my son of my Tau, you know, Tau son. So he's growing everything over there, wheat, meat. So
थैंक यू बाबा।